Here we go. Hi, Tony Plus here. Welcome back to Teardown. Part 4? Yeah, part 4. Oh, we took off some of the pieces. We'll just fix that up. Got it. And a little paint to the side. And we'll add a plank here. There we go. Now my car is good as new. Wow. That looks great. I feel like it's missing something though. It's ready to go. We just need to put the tires in. Looks like I have to go back to Lee Chemicals to get a decryption key in his office. This should be easy enough. Alright. We're back in. Gotta sneak around this time. We even have our boat parked in the back. The large, I'm not sure what we're getting. Right. So there's wired alarm boxes. And there's a safe. Great. Key, storage, switch. Oh, there's 2 safes. This could be a problem, but let's sneak in anyway. Let's go right here since it's... Alright, here we go. Breaching. And we're in. Alright, so there's one in there. One in there. One in there. And then the 2 safes right here. Maybe if we could get this truck over here somehow to load them on. But that would take up a lot of time. Alright, so... Oh! Right in front of me. This thing. This can do it. Probably. Make our entryway. Oh god. Alright. So this debris is a problem. Oh, that's a problem. Anything in here? No? Get this out of the way. Grab this. Grab that. Grab that. Run over here. I have to figure out how to get these 2 safes onto here and get them over here. Oh no, it's wired. This one's wired too. Oh boy. Oh, I saw you. Right, so... Ooh, that was close. You know, let's start tearing it down. I'll get some ideas from that. Alright, time to break in. Oh, it's literally right here. discretion is not my forte. Okay, 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 it's coming together. Alright, alright, it's all coming together. Crap, no! We have to reach in here. Okay. Somehow I have to get here to here easier. Okay, so we have this connected. Alright, alright. Oh. Okay, I have an idea. I'll just there we go. Alright, so we'll grab this. Grab that. Grab that. So we'll grab this, go up my plank, through the building, around, down, grab that, grab the next one, go through the middle. I'll figure out the rest in a minute. That's how you breach doors. Alright, so what I'm thinking is I'll blow the whole bottom. Carefully. Careful. Oh shoot, that scared me. Okay, let's try that again. No, no. Oh. No. Okay. That hurt me. Not too much. Yep, got it. Okay. Okay. We'll use this as a bulldozer. This is working perfectly. Oh. I can't get it. If it flips, we're done. Oh, no, not too much. Come on, get it in there. Take it down. Tear it down. Alright. It's working great. Soon there'll be nothing to stop our car. Or our truck. It's very loud though. I wonder if this debris will be a problem. Debating if I should clean it up or not. I mean, it's stopping this vehicle. Only a little bit. Well. Alright. Alright, this is a huge mess, so I'll cut to where it's all clean. Abracadabra, blah blah blah, it's clean enough. Alright, so that stuff is out of the way. Now I can get started to the other stuff. Figuring out this safe. So, it's that painting I broke. 50 Shades of Capitalism. Alright, so I should save. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. Alright, so I just need to shoot it and it should come down. Let's get this in position. Alright, I'm gonna back it up here. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Let's see. This isn't exactly straight. Alright, so probably shoot that, have it land there, shoot the other one, have it land in the back. Maybe put a plank here so it doesn't fly back out of it? I don't know. Yeah, that seems good. I'll have to wait, maybe I should save and test this out. Alright, so I'm gonna back it up a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna shoot it. Okay, that didn't work, but now it's in a better position. So I could shoot it again, it'll fall in. It'll fall in, and then I think I can just drive it forward a little, shoot that one, and then I'll just drive it on out of here. I should open this first. I don't know if I want to. Alright. Woo! Woo! Maybe get to this. Alright, the plan's all good. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna get started. Here I am. Alright, let's see if we can get this in the first try. Alright. And action. Alright, going up, going up. Good speed, halfway there. Alright. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. Shoot it down, get in. Help. Forward. Go. Come on. Alright, we got two of them. Alright, come on. 25, 24. We got this in the bag. Come on, it's so slow. Oh my god. Almost there. Come on, you're so slow. First try, please. Alright. We did it. There we go. Smooth sailing. Straight through there. Good turn. Stop there for a minute. Oh, we flew up there. Shot that down. Got in and out. This is really weird looking. Alright. Good. We made our great escape. Guys, I'm finally a crook. And I have a... Put him up. Alright, that's good enough for Teardown Part 4. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!